Okay class, now let's see for other examples for Taylor series. Okay, so basically Taylor series, it is not only used for the trigonometric function. Okay, it can be any types of function. So let's see for this example. Find the first four terms of the Taylor series expansion for fx equals to root 5 of x about x equals to 32. Okay, and then estimate the value of root 5 of 32.16, correct, to 3 decimal places. Okay, so look at here. The function that we use here is not the trigonometric function, so it's just a normal function, basic function. And then the question is, we want to find the expansion of fx about x equals to 32. So please remember, if you have to find the expansion of fx, okay, about the x equals to a, okay, meaning here you will use case 1, which is the expansion for fx in the form of x minus a. Alright, so in here your a is equals to 32. Okay, so since you want to use in the form of x minus a, meaning here you will use fx equals to fa plus f prime a x minus a plus 1 over 2 factorial f double prime a x minus a square plus 1 over 3 factorial f triple prime a x minus a cube plus dot dot dot. So we want to find the first four terms. Okay, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Alright, okay, next we want to find your fa. Okay, so we want to find fa, f prime a, f double prime a, and f triple prime a. So firstly we have to know what is your fx. Okay, so since you have you will use a Taylor series in the form of x minus a, meaning fx is the given question here, fx. Alright, so your fx is x1 over 5, x to the power of 1 over 5. Okay, and your f prime x will be, so you will differentiate your fx, it will be 1 over 5 x to the power of negative of 4 over 5, and then you will differentiate again, f double prime, you will get, it will be negative 4 over 25 x, so negative 4 over 5 minus 1, negative 9 over 5, and another one, f triple prime x equals to 36 over 125, so x to the power of negative 14 over 5. Okay, alright, so next we will find your fa. So your fa is f32. Okay, so this is your a. Right, so we want to find f32, f prime 32, f double prime 32, and f triple prime 32. Okay, so now you will get, for f32 it will be equals to 32 power of 1 over 5. Okay, and it will be equals to 2. Okay, this one it will be 1 over 5, 32 power negative 4 over 5. You will get 1 over 18. Then for f double prime 32, you will get, it is negative 1 over 3200. And lastly, you will get 9 over 512000. Okay, so make sure all the value of your fa, f prime a, f double prime a, and f triple prime a, it must be either in the form of whole number or in the form of fraction. but make sure it is not in the form of decimal number. Alright, okay, next continue. You will substitute in your formula. Okay, so now the formula that we will use is your fx is x power 1 over 5, or you can also write this one, root 5 of x. It will be equals to your fa is f32 plus f prime 32 x minus your a is 32 plus 1 over 2 factorial f double prime 32 times x minus 32 square plus 1 over 3 factorial f triple prime 32 x minus 32 power of 3 plus dot dot dot. Okay, so this is your series that you will use, and substitute all the value that you have, and we will get it is equals to 2 plus 1 over 80 x minus 32 plus 1 over 2 factorial times, so f double prime it is negative 1 over 3200, and then x minus 32 power of 2 plus 1 over 3 factorial, so this one is 9 over 512000, so this one x minus 32 power of 3 plus dot dot dot. Okay, make sure do not expand your x minus a. So the x minus a is just remained as x minus a. Do not expand the x minus a. Okay, so lastly you will simplify your coefficient. Okay, so simplify coefficient, you will get it is 2 plus this one just 1 over 80 x minus 32 plus, so this one 1 over 2 factorial times negative 1 over 33,200, you will get minus 1 over 6400 x minus 32 square plus 3 over 102 4000 x minus 32 power of 3 plus dot dot dot. So this is your series for x to the power of 1 over 5. Okay. Okay, next we want to estimate the value of root 5 of 32.16, right? So meaning we have to compare with your fx. Alright, okay, so now when you compare, you will get, so this one, meaning here you will have your x is 32.16. Okay, so next if we want to find the value of root 5 of 32.16, so it will be just substitute the value of your x here into your series here. Okay, so now we have 2 plus 1 over 80 x minus 32 minus 1 over 6400 x minus 32 square plus 3 over 1024000. Sorry, I forgot to substitute the value. Okay, so this one, it should be 32.16 minus 32. So this one, it should be 32.16 minus 32, and this one 32.16 minus 32 cube plus dot dot dot. So your final answer will be equals to, your answer is 2.002, correct to 3 decimal places. Okay, so this is your answer. Okay, you may try on your own for the next examples. All right. Okay class, let's look at this example. Find the first four terms of the Taylor's expansion for root 5 of x plus 32 as far as the term x power of 3, and then hence estimate the value of root 5 of 32.16 correct to 3 decimal places. So in this case, we want to find the Taylor's expansion of this one, root 5 of x plus 32 as far as the term x power of 3. Okay, so since we want to find in the form of x, meaning the formula that we will use is fx plus a equals to fa plus f prime a x plus 1 over 2 factorial f double prime a x square plus 1 over 3 factorial f triple prime a x cube plus dot dot dot. So this is the formula that we will use. All right, okay, next we have to find your f prime a, f double prime a, and also f triple prime a. Okay, so look at here. If you see here, since the formula is for fx plus a, meaning here the original functions that we have here is in the form of fx plus a, that is root 5 of x plus 32. Okay, so in this case, what is your a? Yes, your a is 32. All right, okay. Since we want to find your fa, meaning we want to find what is your fx, so to find your fx, you can eliminate the a from the original function. So here we have a is 32, so eliminate your 32. But now what will be your fx? Yes, your fx will be root 5 of x, which is equals to x power of 1 over 5. Okay, then with a similar step, we will find f prime x, we will find f double prime x, f triple prime x, and we will find what is your fa. So what is your fa? Fa is equals to f32. Okay, which means you will get, it is here is 32 power of 1 over 5 equals to 2, and these are all the values that we will get. All right, okay, next we will continue substitute in your series. So we have here is the series of fx plus a. So the series of fx plus a will be the root of 5x plus 32 equals to f32 plus f prime 32 x plus 1 over 2 factorial f double prime 32 x square plus 1 over 3 factorial f triple prime 32 x cube plus dot dot dot. Okay, so if you compare with the previous examples, it is quite similar, but with a different type of series. Meaning, the first one I use the series of fx. So for this one, we use the series of fx plus a. Okay, all right, continue, substitute the value. So we have here is f32 is 2 plus 1 over 80 x plus, so 1 over 2 factorial times negative 1 over 3200 x square plus 1 over 3 factorial, so this one 9 over 512000 x power 3 plus dot dot dot. So we will have, your series will be 2 plus 1 over 80x minus 1 over 6400 x square plus 3 over 1024000 x cube. Okay, so this is the series for root 5 of x plus 32. Okay, class? Okay, next we want to estimate the value of root 5 of 32.16. Okay, so in this case we will compare with your original function. So your original function here is root 5 of x plus 32. So we need to compare. Okay, so once we compare, we will get x plus 32 equals to 32.16. So your x will be equals to 0.16. Okay, alright, next substitute in the series. Okay, substitute in the series, we will get here is the root 5 of 32.16. It will be 2 plus 1 over 80. So your x is 0.16 minus 1 over 6400. Your x is 0.16 square plus, so this one is square, plus 3 over 1024000, 0.16 cube, and the answer will be 2.002, which is correct to 3 decimal places. Okay, now let's compare with the previous example. You will get the similar answer, right? So the difference is just the series that you use. Either you use the first one fx or the second one fa plus x. Okay, class? Alright, thank you.